channel. So today I'm going to be making an old school caramel tart. So let's begin. We're going to start off by making the base. So I'm going to be adding 160 grams of plain flour, 60 grams of sugar, 115 grams of butter. So I've just softened this in the microwave. So I'm just going to now mix this until it has a crumble effect. So this is now ready, as you can see. I'm going to be using an 8-inch tin, so I'm going to now just line this up. So with the spatula, I'm just going to now just push this down. And once this is pushed down, so with the spoon, I'm just going to now press this down. So this is all now lined up. Now with a fork, I'm going to now just make lots of holes. And then we're going to pop this in the oven for 20 minutes on a gas mark 5. Okay, now this is now ready to go in the oven. So for the caramel, we will require 2 tablespoons of golden syrup, 100 grams of condensed milk, 100 grams of butter, and 100 grams of brown sugar. So the pastry is now out of the oven, so I'm just going to now pop this on the side. So I've added the butter in the saucepan, then I'm going to add the golden syrup, and then the brown sugar, the condensed milk. So we're going to mix this all together on a high heat until it turns into a caramel sauce. So just carry on mixing this until all the ingredients has mixed together. We just have to carry on mixing this. As you can see, this is now turning nice and thick, and it looks like a caramel. Okay, this is now ready. So I'm going to now pour over the caramel. So we're going to allow this to cool down, and then we're going to put this in the fridge for about a couple of hours. So this is now out of the fridge. As you can see, the caramel has now firmed. So we're now going to now just cut this up. So I've taken it out of the tin, as you can see. Just going to pop it on the plate. So here is our finished old school caramel tart. Hope you guys enjoyed this, and thanks guys for watching.